bring to the floor the University of Minnesota Dance Team.
Close your eyes. Lean back. Relax. And hold on tight. Let's begin. Focus on the sound of my voice. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel your eyes getting heavy. I want you to imagine a place. A place where you feel calm, safe, in control. Open your mind. Let's go there. In a moment, I'm going to bring you out. 3, 2. Feel the energy through your arms and legs. 1.
Your University of Minnesota Dance Team.
In a moment, I'm going to bring you out.